Hello and welcome to the Business Analytics with Excel course offered by SimplyLearn. This video will give you an overview about the importance of analytics in business today, why it is in demand among a lot of organizations, and how you can effectively leverage Microsoft Excel for data analytics.
Raw texts into columns in an Excel sheet. Now, let us learn how to achieve text to column through an example. Consider the following raw text. Here, the information such as name, age, address, phone number, and the university is provided in the raw text form. Let us learn how to put this into a column in Excel. First, open the Excel file and paste the raw content into it. Next, choose column A in the sheet. Go to the Data tab in the header and click on the Text to Columns. Next, in the dialog box, choose the Delimited option, as our data is delimited by commas. Hit Next to go to the next step. The next step is to choose the delimiter. The different delimiters can be tab, semicolon, comma, space, or any others. Since the elements in the raw text are separated by commas, we will choose a comma. Click Next to go to the next step. The text to column function considers the elements separated by the delimiters, in this case, the commas, as separate entities, and puts each element in a box in an Excel sheet as shown.